Tan tan tan! Welcome to Yellow Meow channel! Meow meow meow!
Hello! Today my home is out of food, so I have to go to the supermarket to buy some food. Let's take the basket, the cabbage, carrot, an egg, a mushroom, a chicken, and a sausage. Some kimbap and sushi. It's enough. Now let's cut it into small pieces. This is a carrot. Now it's turn for the cabbage. This is a mushroom. A chicken. Let's start cooking. Put the vegetables into the pot and turn on the gas. Stir it around and around. Close the cap and wait a minute. Just wait. Turn off the gas. They are boiled. Now I'll make an omelette. Put the sausage into the pan. Close the cap. Let's wait again. Finish! Yummy! Now we borrow the kimbap and sushi. It must be delicious. Turn on the gas. Close the cap and just wait a minute. It will boil soon. It finished. Take them all into the dish. Perfect! I like it. Now, my baby, let's have meal. Yummy! Great! Cool! Delicious! A kitchen, a kitchen! I like this sausage. The kitchen is really great.